We're coming up on almost a year of being in this full time. It's been an adventure for sure. Living in Florida too. I think 3 or 4 months in, we had our first hurricane here, so that was fun. And we've learned a lot along the way. But it's been good.
We've been married for 6 years now, but about 4 years in, we were just tired of renting spaces and not having anything of our own. And we really wanted to start to put down roots and kind of earn a little bit of equity just in our life and have something to show for it. We started down that path and we ended up meeting with a good friend of ours, and he had this bus and he said, why don't you guys just buy it? We found the schoolie community. So it was really neat to be inspired by the people's builds and also just inspired by the remote living. We've morphed well into it. It's always a process of intentionality and like paring down of your stuff. But I feel like once you do it and you get into that habit of buying intentionally, thinking intentionally about your space, there's some things that we still splurge on, but that's okay. It's been fun though. We really enjoy it.
Hey guys, this is Aaron and Dana Holmes. Welcome to our Birdie Venture bus conversion tour. One of the cool things about this bus is it's a shorter bus. So these are kind of, I haven't seen a whole lot of these, but it came from an Air Force base in Homestead, Florida. So we bought it from a buddy. And it was already kind of a taller bus inside, but we actually had some guys in a company up in Asheville actually chop it and raise it, the whole roof 12 inches. So we got rid of all the original bus windows and put in actual tiny home RV windows, and it had it insulated really good inside. So temperature has been great. I think that was it was a little pricey, but it was we got a really good deal on it, and it was really worth it for sure.
Absolutely. Yeah, we like to come out here, maybe not in this particular space, but we love just to come outside and have our coffee and enjoy the outdoors whenever it's nice and cool in the morning or in the evening. So we really enjoy it, and our neighbors are really cool, so we enjoy hanging out with them. So welcome to our home. This is our tiny area, like space that we do most of our living in, our living room. Right here is our couch, daybed / storage area. We really enjoy this space because it's an opportunity for us to watch TV. We can sit and read books, however, enjoy our coffee, and we absolutely love our couch. We spend most of our time probably in this general area, our living room, and on our couch, because our couch seconds as an extra seat for us when we sit at our table. Underneath our couch, we built it strategically to have more storage. It has extra cooking stuff, essentially things that we don't want to clutter up the outside of the bus, we keep under here. So this serves many purposes, and we absolutely love it. So
this is kind of like I don't necessarily think this is planned in the build to begin with, but this is like one of my favorite parts because obviously it's a massive TV. It looks massive in here, but we actually had this cut out so it would fit. I think it's like a 46-inch TV. This is a 43. So it's been really cool to sit in here and watch movies, Netflix. We do that a lot. And then like I kind of ran the cables here with the Ultimate Ears Mega Boom. This thing's been great for making the sound really loud. And then we just kind of made this area, kind of kept it open still, but we covered like the whole dash area with wood, or our friends did that for us. They're amazing. They made, like a little cubby hideaway there. It's like first aid kit, flashlights. We actually made this little table for this last Christmas. We had a tiny little Christmas tree in here. And so I just built like this little table that just sits over the steering wheel. It's super minimal. We used 2 little cubby holes that Aaron and our friend James actually helped build. So we have a little bookshelf for some of our books we like, and we like to brighten up the space with different plants and foliage. So we really enjoy that. So this is our kitchen. We put a lot of thought into how we wanted to design the kitchen. We designed the kitchen with a butcher block countertop that we bought from Lowe's, stained it, put it in place, and one of our good friends came up from Central Florida and built our cabinets for us. And there's really great storage space all under here. It's a mess right now, but it's it holds a lot of space underneath, which we really enjoy. So the counters were really strategically designed, and it has our hot water heater underneath there. And then we wanted to build a under-mount fridge. And so we have our fridge that sits strategically underneath the countertop, and it stores away beautifully, and we absolutely love it. It's a fridge and freezer combo. So fridge on this side, freezer on this side, and it's really lovely.
And then down the counter we have our coffee station, and we also have our little our oven and our coffee station. So we really enjoy that. And we just kept, for our storage of our dishes and glasses, we kept it an open design because we didn't want to have chunky cabinets and things like that. So we felt like just open shelves from IKEA were a best fit, and just really wanted to keep it minimal and light and airy. And then we also added recently this like wallpaper kind of backsplash, which I feel like kind of added a little bit of flair to the space, and we really enjoy it. So yeah, this is our kitchen, and we have a tiny little pantry on this end.
Yeah, super tiny pantry
that holds all of our food and whatnot.
Yeah.
So
we try to keep it minimal, because a lot of times, like even when we had like a bigger house, like we'd buy way too much food and the food would go bad. So this just keeps everything like, all right, we have exactly what we need for the week. All right, we can hold like a couple weeks of food between the fridge and the pantry, so we're set.
We have an induction burner that we cook with, and we'll pull it out from under here and we'll put it on the countertop so we can cook in the oven, and we can also cook stovetop on our induction burner.
Yes, this is one of my favorite places in the whole bus. We always joke that the bus is basically everything. It's our living room, our kitchen, our workspace, our bathroom, our bedroom. So, but if you want to classify this is kind of my office, if you will. So I'll do a lot of computer work here. We'll eat all of our meals here. This was a drop leaf style table from IKEA, and it's been amazing because on both sides there's drawers that pull out and you can hold all of your utensils. And if you want this space to go away, it's super simple. You can just do this right here. This lowers down, and then you can add more chairs here. So it's really functional. Like if we're watching movies or if we have people over, like we can put all kind of chairs through here and throw a beanbag chair out here. I don't know, and just hang out. So it's been super cool. And like even when we drive, like you can just literally leave this thing set up and don't even have to secure it because it's so heavy and it doesn't go anywhere.
So this is our bathroom. We actually had to finish out the bathroom portion of our bus whenever we got it because it wasn't finished. So Aaron actually built all of the walls and enclosed it in. We have a tiny little corner sink and a mirror to, get ready in the morning for whatnot. And then we have our amazing composting toilet, which at first we were really freaked out by it, but it has been one of the most amazing parts of the bus is just getting used to that. And also it's good for the environment, so we'll take it. And then again, we did some open shelving concepts for all of our cosmetics and things like that. And again, more plants. And so it suits our needs. And then we also have this lovely barn door. Okay, bye. Usually with builds, you have to build up like over the wheel wells. And with our flat nose bus, the wheel wells were just in an awkward place. So we actually built the couch, the cabinets in the kitchen, and then these are the back wheel wells. So we built it worked out, the toilet fit up on the wheel well here. And then in our hallway, we built up, because that's a wheel well as well. So the shower's been, it felt like it was a hard sacrifice, but it wasn't because we also didn't want to have extra humidity in the bus. So the bathroom serves our needs and showers aren't hard to find. So, all right, so now we're in the hallway, which is right next to the dining room and the bathroom. And this is our hall closet. So right here, it has all of our clothes. It has an extra chair that folds out that we use to watch movies and whatnot. And it's also all of our cleaning supplies, and it has our laundry hamper. So the hall closet serves its needs as a hall closet, and also our wardrobe. Aaron has like that much and I have the rest. So we chose to go with a queen short bed. The width and the length ended up working out perfect because we love our bed and it just makes the space feel really comfortable. So
got a little ladder here, so
yeah.
And this thing's been a game changer for sure. The Dyson fans. It is Florida, but it does get a little cold, some nights out of the year. So we got the one with the heat, and this thing has been amazing. It's also an air purifier, and while we're gone, you can actually monitor like the air quality and the temperature of the bus from your phone, which is pretty sweet too. Because if you go down here under the bed, we have two IKEA shelves. One's a 4-unit, one's is it a 6 or an 8? It's an 8. So each one of them has these little cubes that pull out. And so like I'll have all my shirts in one, all my pants in another one, socks, underwear. So
my favorite thing about living tiny is we can go anywhere we want because our bus, we can literally pack it up and drive where we want to go.
it's nice to know that you have everything you own in one space. So like if you have to leave or you want to leave, you can literally just crank up the engine, pack everything up, and head out.
Just take an inventory of what you have, because really it's not the things that make us happy, it's the life you're living that makes you happy. And I feel like that having less stuff and living in a space that you don't have to think that much about, but then it gives you more room and opportunity to go out and go to the beach, go surfing, have money to go on trips and have experiences. And that's really that's our heartbeat, is we really love being in community with people and spending time with our friends and being outside of this space, because even though it's wonderful, like we'd much rather be out doing stuff. And you know, this is a great place to come home to and feel homey. So
we do have a YouTube channel, Instagram, websites. You can find us at Birdie Venture. So the website's birdieventure.com. It's BIRDIE venture.com. And you can find those on the social media as well. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you were inspired. We just want to encourage you, if you have a crazy dream, if you are inspired to do something, we are encouraging you to do it. So just go for it.
Absolutely.
Doesn't mean it's not hard work, but it is totally worth it. So
absolutely,
go for it.
Yes. Show them our shower.
What's that? Like this? I just sucked myself. But if we want to, we can shower off here. Doesn't matter. I mean, go over here.
More foliage.
Welcome to the jungle.
We'll see you soon.